shoot. Okay. Oh. Actually, let's go through. Okay, don't hit me from behind. I hope that they can see me because I do not see anything right now. Okay, it's clear now. All right, anyone behind me? No. All right, I'm safe. I didn't die. Oh man, so much dust. You see all that? Holy crap, man. Good thing it kind of matches with my camouflage, so there's just dust everywhere. You can see my helmet. Oh crap. Oh shoot. Oh, this was a mistake. Oh no. Yeah, 40 mile per hour wind currents here in El Paso. Do I miss San Diego? Absolutely. I've never experienced this in San Diego, so it's kind of nice when, you know, Earth doesn't throw dust at you. I mean, it's not terrible. Do I feel like I'm getting blown away? A little bit. But my bike is pretty heavy. It's pretty, you know, sturdy. I'm doing okay so far. Oh man, it's pretty sandy over here. I swear if I slip, oh my god, it's got... Ah! Okay, well, wasn't too bad. I'm sorry for that. What I want to do will it be less windy, less dusty. Oh shoot! You see, I just have to fight the wind when I'm standing still, but oh crap! Oh, it hurts. Man, I had like what 5 months left in the army, so no complaint. Ah, it hurts, man. I do have my neck covered with, you know, a gator neck. I've got like windbreakers. I have like multiple layers on top, and I just, oh man, if I slip on, okay, it's kind of sketchy. All this dust, pretty scary. My vision. Oh crap. Okay, my eyes. Okay. So far so good. I do have some pebbles in my eyes. I think I'll be alright. Man, on Friday, I got caught by this weather with an open face helmet. Worst thing ever. I literally had to stop mid-boulevard because it was too painful. So I've been using my full face helmet ever since, just because I kind of expected this weather. And honestly, it's not so terrible. Well, it is, but you know, I don't feel like I'm gonna die. So, more sand. Oh crap. Whoa. I mean, yeah, I do have to like lean to one side to be able to fight, you know. Oh crap. Okay. So far so good.